Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're checking out a dual product combo that brings together two must-have kitchen appliances: the Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Air Fryer Countertop Toaster Oven and the Wave Crusher Blender. Let's start by unpacking the features of both, and I'll give you a detailed rundown of how they perform in the real world. First, the Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Air Fryer Countertop Toaster Oven is more than just your standard toaster oven. It combines 4 versatile cooking options: air frying, baking, broiling, and toasting. With a spacious 4-slice capacity, this model fits everything from 4 slices of toast to a 9-inch pizza, or even a 3-pound chicken. The standout feature here is its powerful air circulation system designed for even cooking with little to no oil, perfect for achieving those crispy textures we all crave in fries, wings, or roasted veggies. Included with the oven are a metal air fry basket, a bake pan, and a broil rack. Everything you need for versatile cooking. A slide-out crumb tray also makes cleanup a breeze. For those looking for an all-in-one compact appliance, this certainly checks a lot of boxes. Switching gears to the Wave Crusher Blender, this blender uses a patented wave action system to ensure smooth blending results without needing to stir the contents. It has a 700-watt peak power motor that's more than capable of crushing ice and handling the heavy lifting for smoothies, shakes, or even pureeing soups. The 40-ounce thermal shock-resistant glass jar stands out for its durability, able to handle extreme temperature changes, whether you're blending hot ingredients or tossing in ice for a chilled drink. Now, let's talk about how these perform in the real world. Setting up the Sure Crisp air fryer oven was a breeze. The controls are intuitive, with simple dials to adjust temperature and time. I put it to the test by making some crispy fries. I used the air fry basket, and within about 20 minutes, they came out perfectly crisp without the oil-soaked mess you'd usually expect. I also tested the pizza setting. A 9-inch pizza fits easily in the oven, and the even heat distribution meant a perfectly golden crust, all without the hassle of a conventional oven. The blender, on the other hand, was equally impressive. I made a smoothie and a milkshake, and both turned out incredibly smooth without the chunks you sometimes get with lower-end blenders. The ice crushing capabilities of the Wave Crusher are excellent. I tossed in frozen fruit, ice, and some milk, and it powered through without issue. The blending process was quick and efficient thanks to the patented wave action system. However, no product is perfect. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Hamilton Beach Sure Crisp Air Fryer Oven really stands out for its ability to cook multiple dishes with ease. The air fry feature delivers crispy, golden food with minimal oil, and it saves time compared to heating up a full oven. The multiple cooking functions are super convenient, and the fact that it can handle both large and small dishes makes it versatile for everyday use. However, the biggest drawback is the size. It's certainly compact, but for those with larger kitchens or families, it might feel limiting. The 4-slice capacity is ideal for small households, but if you're cooking for a crowd, you might find yourself needing to run more batches. When it comes to the Wave Crusher Blender, one of its best features is the glass jar. It's durable and holds up well over time, especially when dealing with hot or cold contents. The wave action system ensures a smooth, consistent blend, which is fantastic for smoothies, soups, and shakes. The downside, however, is its noise. While the blender performs well, it does produce a fair amount of noise when crushing ice or blending harder ingredients. Additionally, the motor is powerful, but in some cases, larger batches can take a bit longer to blend fully. In terms of value for money, this combo package offers a lot for the price. The air fryer oven delivers consistent cooking results with a range of features you usually find in higher-end models. It's a great option for those looking for a compact kitchen appliance that does more than just toast bread. For around the same price, you'll find similar-sized air fryers, but few offer the multifunctionality this model provides. As for the Wave Crusher Blender, it definitely offers good value, especially for those who need a reliable blender for smoothies, shakes, or purees. The 700-watt peak power motor is more than enough for most everyday tasks. While it may not compete with higher-end blenders in terms of features, it performs exceptionally well in its price range. When comparing these products to similar items, there are a few key differences. Many air fryer ovens on the market are either too large or too basic. The Hamilton Beach model strikes a solid balance of being compact while still offering the core features you need for daily cooking. Meanwhile, the Wave Crusher blender holds its ground against pricier blenders thanks to the wave action system that many competitors lack. If you're comparing it to more premium options, some might offer quieter motors or a more powerful peak wattage, but in this price range, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher blender holds its own. Now, as far as build quality goes, both products seem to be built to last. The Hamilton Beach SureCrisp oven is sturdy with a well-constructed exterior, and the accessories that come with it are solid. The metal air fry basket feels durable, and the bacon broil racks are just the right size for most cooking tasks. The Wave Crusher blender, with its glass jar, also feels solid and dependable. The thermal shock-tested glass ensures it can handle both the hot and cold extremes. The plastic components of the blender, however, are a bit lighter, but they still feel durable for everyday use. When it comes to customer support, Hamilton Beach has a solid reputation. While I didn't have to reach out for assistance during my testing, I've seen plenty of positive feedback regarding their responsiveness and helpfulness. Whether it's troubleshooting or warranty service, Hamilton Beach tends to have a good track record. So, what's the final verdict? Both the Hamilton Beach SureCrisp air fryer toaster oven and the Wave Crusher blender stand out in their categories. The air fryer oven offers great versatility, and the Wave Crusher blender is perfect for those who need a solid blender for daily tasks. If you're looking for a space-saving multifunction oven, this air fryer oven could be a game changer in your kitchen. Similarly, if you need a reliable, easy-to-use blender for smoothies or soups, the Wave Crusher is a great pick. I'd recommend both of these products to anyone in the market for dependable, no-frills kitchen gadgets that deliver solid performance without breaking the bank. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay up to date on all our latest reviews. Drop any questions you have, or let us know if you've tried these products. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and as always, goodbye till next time, where you can always find what's cooking inside Reviews Inside TV.